I don't think I hit these cones. Oh, what's he done? What we got? Fast corner. Oh, look at the top speed of the Sledge. Right, guys, we have here what we think are the two quickest Traxxas trucks. The XRT, and it looks like its baby brother, doesn't it? The Sledge 8S, 6S. So, what are they like together? We've done a few comparisons. What we're going to do our relay race. We've gone back to what we like, our Bahrain-esque layout for the track. We're going to mix it up, swap around what trucks we run. Probably going to be carnage, cones will be everywhere. Watch on, see what happens. So, Bahrain layout. We're going to do 2 laps each truck.
Yep.
Who's going to use which truck? I can't actually even see my Sledge behind the XRT. Oh, well, that's going to be fun,
so you're using the XRT.
I'm going to go XRT first.
I'm in Sledge.
You're going to go Sledge
mode.
So he's got the better line out of the pit box, but hey ho. 2 laps, ready?
Yep, yep.
I was going to drive over it.
Whoa, whoa. Feels so light.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, where am I going?
Oh,
that's a wide old
there,
line.
is it?
I daren't turn in because he's there. I'll get crushed.
Yeah, I can just block him. Oh, damn it. Sorry.
Sledges don't like that, it seems. Oh, come back,
one
come
more
back.
lap.
The pits are quite close to the circuit, if you ask me.
He's got the power down the straight, that's the problem. But there's an inside line.
Oh, I don't know where I was going.
Let's see if I can mess this up.
That was neat. It's a lot easier on the slow corners than the Sledge.
It's going to go up the inside.
Round this corner and then park behind the pit. Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, my car!
No, in a big boy.
First time I've driven this today.
Here I come, here I come.
So lively compared to XRT.
Saved it. How's that Sledge hitting cones? Come on now.
There's car. Oh,
that's steering
I need CSM on this bugger. There we go, right.
Oh, not the tightest of lines.
Quite vicious.
It's not as precise as a Sledge.
Can I hold on to the lead for the half lap? May have tagged some of these cones up here. Don't know who that was.
That was good.
Oh, threaded it in between the cones.
Badlands are good on the dirt. That's it, isn't it? That's the end.
Oh yeah, I forgot where the finish line was.
Well, by the pits, I suppose. Oh, 1-0 to you. That was fun.
That was interesting. The XRT can just drive over the Sledges if it wants to.
Yes. And actually, the Sledges are not nicer on the slow corners. You can really just be neat.
Right, so that's the right way round.
So I'm on XRT.
XRT?
You're on Sledge.
Sledge, XRT, yeah?
Yep. 2 laps each truck.
Yeah, 3.
I noticed a pause there to throw me off.
Oh, there was a pause.
I'm waiting for you, I'm waiting for you.
I checked my TSM. Oh, it's got a bit of a lead now. Can I put it back through here? Yeah, I can see it. Oh!
I'm like, come inside of me, you'll know about it.
All over the place. We've got a big lead now.
Oh, that's a nice drift.
Oh, how is that backwards?
Not so neat on the head.
Concentration going on now.
Oh no, I can't believe I just did that. Handed it to him.
Right.
Oh.
Here we go, into the pit box. Oh, I can get out in front. Oh, we've got a bit of a lead now. Can I throw this away? Totally.
Isn't it funny? Sledges look absolutely tiny compared to the XRT. Don't know what under 1/10 there would look like.
Come on, turn it. Oh, understeer. Come on. Oh, there's cones everywhere.
Some cones are
he's flicking stones up at me. No line there.
Do I feel like I'm catching them? I think I do feel like I'm catching them. Oh,
the Sledge is the quicker truck, but it's not as stable or as good over the bumps. I don't think I hit these cones. Oh, what's he done?
Oh.
I'll put some cones back while I'm waiting.
Just pushing a bit hard, I reckon. Tried to turn and brake and it was just a bit grippy. I'll just reset this while I'm here. Yeah, you might be 2-0 by the look of it, which is a shame for me. Ugh. Okay,
Go on then.
Whoa! That's the end. Ah.
Wow.
Okay.
It's an interesting, different handling characteristics.
Oh, yeah. Very different.
Should we go the other way around?
Yeah, can do.
Right, XRT, me XRT, your Sledge, yeah?
Yeah.
Got the inside line. Hairpin hit. Oh! Messed that up big time. Made up for a little bit there.
Whoa!
Can't see for the dust. Nice
Turn,
inside
damn
line
you.
there. What we got? Fast corner. Oh! Look at the top speed of the Sledge.
Hobby wing power, that's what it is.
Oh. Right, here we go.
That's the widest line I think I could ever have taken. That was ridiculous.
I think mine's gone low voltage. Oh, perhaps it's not.
I need this lead in case I mess up the XRT. This Sledge is an
here we
animal
go.
on the straight.
Oh! I'm on the track. Oh well.
That don't matter.
You've got to avoid it.
Trying to delay me, that's what it is.
Oh, I understand. I've got some time to make up now. Oh, he's got it. Unless he makes an error. Oh, please be.
What's going on?
You've got this one.
Good job, I just mulled the code. Oh! You could have said pause.
Right, I think we can say you got this one.
Right then.
So guys, I messed that last race up properly. See what happens this time, you ready?
Yep. I am starting to think the Sledge is definitely faster, but there's not a lot in it. A mistake is enough to
Pony Jackson from behind!
Oh no!
Oh,
Look! I'm stuck. It's wedged right in there, look.
look at the poor cones. They are being desperate. Brought it all the way from there!
Yeah, I was dragging it along. I tried to get rid of it, but it wanted to come for a ride. Oh, hold on. Kick that off.
Right. Ready? Go on
yeah.
then. I'll let him catch up a little bit.
Whoa, bumpy.
Not too much though.
I think you can pitch it in there for a nice drift.
Very
Brilliant.
aggressive brakes on this.
I think I'm gaining. This is good.
Oh, some lovely drift around
Kind of.
there.
If I'm not doing that.
Nice and tight around there. Power onto the straight. Still got a bit of ballooning on those tyres, but nothing
Lap
like the stock
change,
ones.
remember?
Oh, rubbish.
Pit stop, whatever.
Oh, that was a nice. Oh, he always crashes into me on a pit stop.
Got to come in there hot.
So we've got the behemoth
Pit lane
versus the
limiters in this
baby.
sport.
Again. The
So
Sledge
quiet
is
the
quicker,
Sledge
I
compared
think,
to the big boy.
but it's not as stable.
Just wheel spin and power. If anything, this Sledge feels more powerful because of its lighter weight. Especially with hobby wing power.
Oh, I'm just flick it in, flick it in, flick it in here. We just, yeah.
He's still
look at
fast
that.
though, isn't he? I'm not gaining much.
Oh, I nearly flicked in too
Oh,
much.
come on, come back. It's the dirt. Oh,
I was watching him turn his head over heels.
yeah, sledges and bumps, not a good mixture. Oh well,
I just
that's
can't.
3-1 to you.
Ready? Red XRT, blue.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, he tried to bully me.
yeah, I tried
Out
to
of the way.
squeeze an XRT, that's not wise. Oh, come back, come
gap
back,
up the
come
inside.
back from that. Oh, I gave him room. Look what he did to me.
Just trying to have
Come on
my
now,
wheel.
just bullying me around.
Oh, well. Don't feel bad. Here we go, into this corner here. I'm still waiting
grip on
for him.
the
Come
dirt.
on. I feel a little bad. Not too bad though.
Not too bad.
Here we go.
Look,
Right,
he's
it's near
blowing
enough
past
now.
him.
Oh, Oh, a nice tight line. Oh, gone a bit wide there. He's going to have the flick here. No, he's not.
Light
Right,
and
so this is
agile.
coming up for the pit stop.
Parking it on the apex. Pit stop.
Well, that was almost identical, wasn't it?
Oh.
Oh, I've gone out wide. Oh, I'm really out wide. God, I can see you are committed through there.
Yeah, always committed. Never lift. You know me. Cover him in dirt as well.
Here we go. Oh, it's all over
All I
the
can
place.
hear is Badland
this is all
scraping
over
dirt.
the place. Whoa.
What are you doing over there?
I actually feel that something's broken.
Oh, Team Red is looking good. Still on it, full.
I'll have to have a look. It does feel a bit. It feels a bit two-wheel driving.
Is that the end? I think it is. Oh, I'm not winning. But Team Blue looks good. Matching wings are the way forward.
Oh, I can't. You can't.
Oh, you're not coming in there, mate.
Have a go. You'll come off
Whoa.
first.
Surprisingly low grip on that short grass.
No, that was both our faults there. I got the inside there. Conage, as someone would say.
Oh, that's untidy.
There we go.
Now. What have I done? Giving it to
The
him.
lead now. You need to try and keep that
Let's hope
lead.
he messes up somewhere else.
Yeah, not doing that you won't, will you? So nice half throttle drift. Half throttle, full throttle. Right, if I can get out in front of him. Yes, here we go. Oh, well, that's one way to park it.
Stop a second. I think I've just done the rear wing again. Oh yeah, and it's yanked it out. Ugh. I'll leave it there, but we do need to investigate the screws.
I think this will be the last run.
Yeah. Hold on.
Go on then.
Hold on.
I'll let you catch up a little bit.
Right, you go when you see fit.
Here we go. Last run of the day this is, guys. So, oh, I forgot how not nimble the XR. Didn't mean to say that. There was just a little truck in front of me. Oh, he just drove around the outside.
Oh no. Oh, blocked me.
I'll get it.
I'd like to say that I didn't lift.
I might say I didn't go around many of the cones.
I was just going to power past on the straight and he just knew you couldn't let me do it.
Oh yeah, come on then.
Yeah.
I've got a block, he's got the power. The Sledge has got a bit more power, better power to weight. Can we get a flick? Can we get a flick here? Oh!
Another lap in there. No, probably not actually. Oh, well done. Not a day for winning for Team Blue. Shame.
Well guys, as we said, I don't know how that came out on camera, what you thought about it. It is brilliant fun. The relay action, I think someone ended up on their roof at the changeover point. I parked my car on the track. Great fun. We had a couple of mechanicals with wings and things, but we were driving over each other. So what did you think to that? We think they've got to be the quickest Traxxas trucks. 6S, Sledge, bit more power, better power to weight, I should say, and would overtake down the straight, but obviously hasn't quite got the stability or of the bumps. So, click on the subscribe button, and we're back again soon.